Hi, my name is Rishabh Sagar. I am looking for the sales for the Western region. I am representing company called Aztec Fluids and Machinery Private Limited based at Ahmedabad. We are into the batch coding printers. These are mainly used for variable data printing. Normally in plastic industry where PVC pipes, conduit pipes, HDP pipe, any kind of pipe, UPVC, CPVC pipes people are printing where we are marking the data like ISO logo, like jockey line, red, blue, green line. So all kind of data we are printing on the pipes through our printers. These are our system. We are the manufacturer company. We are having our own plant at Ahmedabad. Most of all the major pipe industry associated with us, they are our valued customer, and we have reached across the pan India with the sales and service and the regional offices. Sir, we are basically we can say that we are the cost effective solutions for our customers, where the running cost of the printer per print cost of the pipe, that is will be very economic compared to all our competitors. Reason being, we are the manufacturer for consumables, so our prices are very economic to the customers. Our services are all very economic to the customers. So mainly customer prefer us for the low cost economic solutions. This is the first experience we are having in these HIPLEX. Normally we participate all the exhibitions in North, in Western region. So this is the first one we are participating in South HIPLEX, and from morning, yes, very much good footfall, and we are expecting good business. Thank you.